Good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about depression of cantilever method, loaded free end, and the non-uniform bending method, loaded middle of the beam. Last video, we have discussed about three types of bending method. First one is uniform bending method, non-uniform bending method, and the cantilever method. In this video, we discuss about cantilever and non-uniform bending method only. First one, depression of cantilever. First, you know about what is meant by cantilever. The beam fixed at one end and loaded other end is known as cantilever. Let us consider a beam of length L. That means AB is equal to L. That means L is the length of the cantilever fixed at A, and the low weight is applied. That means load is applied at the free end of the beam at B, and beam bends to B to B dash. That means differs to B to B dash. Consider the point P in the distance x from A, and another point Q from P from distance dx from P. Considering arc of radius r, the O be the center for P and Q, d theta with angle suspended at the center. Then L minus x the remaining distance of the beam. That means that L minus x beam distance of beam depressed to B dash. That means there are two bending moments I already told. One is internal bending moment, other one is external bending moment. In the equilibrium condition, both are same. That means under thermal equilibrium, the internal bending moment that is equal to external bending moment. In this diagram, external bending moment is equal to external bending moment is equal to W into L minus x. That means W is weight suspended. The L minus x is the portion to be depressed. Therefore, external bending moment EBM is equal to W into L minus x. That is equation 1. Then internal bending moment is equal to, the last video we discussed the expression. Therefore, internal bending moment is equal to Y Ig by R, where Y is the Young's modulus of the beam, Ig is the moment of inertia, R is the radius of curvature. Therefore, in external bending moment is equal to internal bending moment under thermal equilibrium. Therefore, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. That means W into L minus x is equal to Y Ig by R. Then consider two tangents from the diagram, P and Q, which cuts at B and B dash at C, D respectively. Two tangents from P and Q at B dash, that the point known as C and D, that the C and D is equal to the small depression dy. Therefore, dy is equal to L minus x into d theta. Angle is d theta. The remaining portion is L minus x. Therefore, dy is equal to L minus x d theta. That is equation 4. Then, from that, PQ is equal to the distance is dx. That is equal to r into theta. That is equation 5. Therefore, substitute equation 5 in 4. We get d theta is equal to dx by r. Dx cross multiply d theta is equal to dx by r. That d theta is substituted in equation 4. Therefore, dy is equal to L minus x. For substituting d theta from equation 6, you substitute dx by r. Therefore, dy is equal to L minus x dx by r. From that, we cross multiply, r is equal to the dy comes downwards. Therefore, L minus x dx by dy. R is equal to L minus x dx by dy. Substitute R in equation 3. Therefore, substitute this equation R in equation 3. Therefore, W into L minus X is equal to YIG. For substituting R is equal to L minus X dx by dy. Substitute, therefore YIG by L minus X dx by dy. We cross multiply. Dy is equal to W YIG into L minus X into L minus X equal to L minus X whole square into dx. Therefore, dy is equal to W by YIG into L minus X the whole square dx. This is a small depression dy. For the whole of the beam, we can integrate the equation 7 by the limits 0 to L, because the length of the beam is L. Therefore, for total depression, we can found by integrating the limits 0 to small l. Therefore, integrate dy is equal to W by YIG is constant we taken out. W by YIG integration 0 to L. L minus S whole square is a L minus with whole square. It can be said by A minus B whole square formula. That means A square plus B square minus 2bx into dx. The L minus square can be expanded by L square plus A square for x square minus 2lx dx. So integrate. W by YIG is constant taken out. Integration from first one L square dx. For dx integration, integrate we get x. Therefore, first term is L square into x plus x square we get x cube by 3. Therefore, the second term is x cube by 3 minus 2l is constant. Put 2l there. X integrate we get x square by 2. Therefore, you get L square, x cube, x square, you get x cube by 3 minus 2L, you get 2L x square by 2, putting the limits 0 to L. Substitute the limits now. Therefore, y is equal to W by YIG. The substitute L in the place of x. Therefore, L square into L is equal to L cube plus x cube we put L, therefore L cube by 3 minus 2L, put L square, x square there, therefore L square into L is to the L cube, 2 cancel, therefore the remaining term is minus L cube. Therefore you get, substitute the limits, you get L cube plus L cube by 3 minus L cube. The L cube will cancel, then remaining term is the depression cantilever y is equal to W L cube, the 3 goes at that side, therefore 3YIG. This is expression for depression and cantilever, that is y is equal to WL cube 3YIG, where L is the length of the cantilever, Y is the Young's modulus of the beam, IG is the moment of inertia, W is the weight suspended. We can form the Young's modulus of the beam also. We cross multiply the Y, capital Y that side, small y that to the denominator, we get capital Y is equal to WL cube by 3 small y IG. This is the depression of cantilever and Young's modulus of cantilever method. Next one is non-uniform bending method. That means depression of at the center of the beam. That means loaded at the middle of the beam. The weight added at the middle of the beam only. This method is known as non-uniform bending method. Consider a beam, uniform beam of length L. That means AB is equal to L. The weight is added at the center of the beam, at the point E. Added at the center of the beam. So the beam bends in center only, in a U shape. The beam is suspended to two knife edges K1 and K2 as shown in the figure. Okay. I consider the beam of length L kept on the two knife edges A and B. Now the load is suspended at center. Therefore, the depression produced at the center. But we know then the beam is loaded considered as two cantilevers because in center of the beam, they split into two beams. The weight is added at center. Therefore, the beam is split into two beams. The beams A from A has one beam. Another B has two beams. The weight is added at center. Therefore, he is converted into two cantilever. From one end is A, another end is B. The weight is at the center. Therefore, the beam is considered as two cantilevers. That means the weight is just converted into the load. One end is W by 2, other end is W by 2. The length is split into one end of the beam is L by 2, another end of the beam is L by 2. Then we know that the depressional cantilever already is seen. Depressional cantilever Y is equal to WL cube 3YIG. Both are a non-uniform bending method. So we are going to substitute in this from the diagram where W is equal to W by 2 and L is equal to L by 2. In the cantilever expression, we have substitute. For W, we put W by 2. For L, we put L by 2. Then the expression becomes depression of the beam at the center, y is equal to small y is equal to. For W, we put W by 2. For L, we put L by 2 whole cube by 3YIG. Then for expandation, we get W L cube by 48YIG. From that, we get the 2 come downwards, 2 3s are 6. 2 cube is equal to 8, 8 6 are 48. Therefore, so we get WL cubed by 48YIG, where L is the length of the beam, Y is the Young's modulus of the beam, IG is the moment of inertia of the beam, and W is the weight added at the center. From there, we have discussed about Young's modulus of the beam also. We could just cross multiply Y and Y smaller than capital Y, you get the Young's modulus of the beam. Therefore, the capital Y is equal to, for W we put mg, formula mass into acceleration, we put mg, therefore mg L cube by 4 BD cube by, for substituting Ig is equal to BD cube by 12, we get the BD cube under 4. Therefore, Y is equal to mg L cube by 4 BD cube Y, small y. This is the expression for Young's modulus of the beam by non-uniform bending method. Thank you.